Hello, my name is Alexander Aksenov, and today we'll talk about using technology in Cyber Club. Basically, I have own Cyber Club in Moscow. This is like a place, an internet cafe, which hosts 36 PCs and three PlayStation 5 with the TV consoles. So customers come and pay hourly, enjoying a friendly space and high-end software to play games there and just to relax. So this is a real photo of the my cyber club. It's not the whole, just one part. So basically, we have one administrator per shift working there. It's not quite a big place. And I introduced the system of reports. So administrators send reports during their shift, and me personally or a manager, we supervise these reports, we watch them and give any feedback. So these reports include photo reports, for example, the bar stock and administrator desk. Every 5 hours, administrators are required to send the photos of the bar stock. As you can see here, this is the real photo taken of the from the chat and also video reports. So they should send in the chat in the group video reports every 3 hours and also a long video for like 2 or 3 minutes of the whole club at the end of their shift. So it looks basically something like this. So here, even every hour, um, they send us like the small video reports of the whole club. And also they send some screenshot of the checks of the PS5 checks just for our um, analyzing for us to analyze them. And basically, it's very hard to maintain this supervising because it's very routine and it's very hard to open the chat and to watch all the videos every 3 hours, all days. And this is the problem because we cannot supervise this in the long run. And then some situations occur when they stop sending these reports, when they administrators start being more lazy and working less efficient. So the solution would be the automating reports systems, the checking of the reports, automating them. So without us as managers, me or the other manager, carefully looking into each report, so some system based on AI would do this instead of us. So I suppose that this could be done using N8N. It is a AI-powered workflow automation which brings processes together. It doesn't require coding. It's user-friendly and it's costs cheap, only like $20 or $30 a month. And here's a simple screenshot from their website how it works. So it's basically like some tilde or something where you put the blocks and it automates some business processes. It is used in business processes. And then also it would help to bring all the processes together, and then the process would be the Excel to store the data from the report, like the time of the report, the content of the report, the photos which were in the report. Also using the pre-trained ChatGPT model to analyze these photos and analyze the timing of the reports. For example, if the administrator is required to send the report every 3 hours, then ChatGPT would analyze if administrator did their job and successfully uploaded all the reports in time. And also using Telegram bot for administrators to load the reports and for us managers to have final notifications about all the reports are they in time and their quality. So let's take a look how this works, how it would really work in this N8. And I've worked personally there, and I'm more than sure that this would be possible. And in 1 week, I'm arriving to Moscow, and I will do it because I thought of this idea as just the project, but now I'm thinking more that I really need to implement this and it could be very helpful. So, first step, Telegram bot received reports. The administrator sent the photo of, for example, let's take a fridge, the photo of the fridge to the Telegram bot with a certain time. Then it says FFmpeg converts video to for 5, 6 screenshots. So basically, if they send a video report, AI cannot nowadays it cannot successfully analyze the whole video. So the special tool would just cut the video in a few screenshots taken at the random time, and then just upload the screenshots instead of video. This would be not as efficient as analyzing the whole video, but it works for us. So then all the data from the report is loaded in Excel. So the timing of the report, the the photo of the report, and for example, the type of report, that it is a fridge report, how many products are stored in the fridge, and is the stock of all the bar production at its maximum. Isn't administrator lazy enough and he maintains the fridge that it's full all the time. So then information from this Excel sheets go straight to ChatGPT, the pre-trained model. It uses APK to be more automated, and that N8N can send the requests specifically to this pre-trained model. So it analyzes the table and makes the conclusion. So it analyzes if the report were sent in time. It can analyze photos now. ChatGPT does it very successfully. For example, the overall capacity of the fridge. Is it full? Is it not full? Does it have some space between the drinks, possibly? Um, and also it makes the final information, it makes data to become information, and also it makes a conclusion if the report is okay. If it's not, then what is the deal? Is it timing? Is it that the fridge isn't seem to be not full with the food enough? And they ChatGPT um, final information of the report analysis from ChatGPT is recorded also in Excel. And then from this Excel, if something is wrong, then Telegram, this bot notifies me if there are any issues. So this is a totally automated process which would really work. And I know that it would work, and I would implement this in the future. Maybe I have to correct some steps because this is more of my idea of how it would work, but the overall structure is something like this. So let's look at the conclusion. So first is that it is very cost efficient. So it's cheap and easy to operate. Just one time you have to create the perfect, like the workflow, the system, and then you could use it for years. And it costs only about $40 a month, maybe a bit less. So I know this N8N costs about like $20, and then ChatGPT would also charge something for the analysis that they make. And also it has huge potential. So using AI and automation in other business processes that us in the Cyber Club have a lot of processes which could be automated, such as ordering and tracking the inventory of some food, which food is more popular, which food is less popular, which type of energy drink people drink most, etc. So there's many ideas that could be also automated and analyzed. And the third one is it solves real management problem. So it saves time for managers to not only just routinely check the notifications, but to think about something and maybe spend this time more effective. So overall, this is my idea. I actually had this idea for a long time, and this Tasks help me to bring all my idea together in one final plan, I would say, that I would follow soon and try to use technology to optimize the business process in my own cyber club. Thank you.